Hello viewers, this video is about how to add multiple Instagram accounts. So let's go to the tutorial. At first I will go to my Instagram account. Now I am in my Instagram account and I want to add more profiles in my Instagram account, and I don't need to download any app or install any app. At first I will go to my profile section, which is my profile section, and I will add a new account. Just I will tap here and hold it and click on the plus icon or add account. Log into existing account. I will select log into existing account. I want to log into my YouTube channel Instagram account, so I will just check this account. When you will create a new account, Instagram will ask you to put your username and login password, and when you will enter your login credentials, you can successfully add your account to your Instagram account, and you can switch between one account to another account, and it is very easy. This method is very easy. You do not need to download another third-party app or Instagram app. You can do it easily, and remember that you can add up to 5 Instagram accounts in one phone. I think this tutorial is really helpful for you. You are clearly seeing that I am in my second Instagram account, which is my YouTube channel Instagram account. So if you like this video, please hit on the like button and hit the subscribe button. Goodbye.